Let's discuss about Chapter 4 4.1 Ratios. Which of the following ratios are equivalent to 18 to 24 to 45? So there are 4 ratios here. We are going to compare one by one to 18 to 24 to 45. So let's take a look for the first ratio, which is 3 to 4 to 9. Assume 3 equals to 18, 4 equals to 24, and 9 equals to 45. The first thing we are going to do is to take 18 divided by 3 equals to 6, which means 3 must multiply by 6 to get 18. If 3 need to multiply by 6, then the others also need to do the same thing. So we take 3 multiplied by 6 to 4 to 9 multiplied by 6, and you'll get 18 to 24 to 54. So the answer is no, because 18 to 24 to 54 is not equal to 45. Okay, so the first ratio is not equal. Let's look at the second ratio, 36 to 48 to 90. So 36 is larger than 18. We will just take 36 divided by 18, and the answer is 2, which means 18 multiplied by 2 equals to 36. Same goes to the others. Okay, this time we will use this ratio. So 18 multiplied by 2, 24 multiplied by 2, and 45 multiplied by 2. The answer is 36 to 48 to 90. So they are equal. Because you use this ratio, you get this ratio, means they are equal. Now let's look at the third ratio, which is 0.6 to 0.8 to 1.5. So 0.6 equals to 18. We just take 18 divided by 0.6 equals to 30, which means 0.6 have to multiply by 30 to get 18. So if 0.6 must multiply 30, the others also need. And the second step is 0.6 multiplied by 30, 0.8 multiplied by 30 to 1.5 multiplied by 30. Answer is 18 to 24 to 45. So yes, they are equal. Now let's look at the fourth ratio, which is 2 to 5, 8 to 15, and 1. So 2 over 5, we take 18 divided by 2 over 5 equals to 45, because 18 equals to 2 over 5. So next we are going to compare to the other two, which is 8 over 15 and 1. So the second step is take 2 over 5 multiplied by 45. Same goes to 8 over 15 and 1. And you'll get 18 to 24 to 45. And yes, they are equal, because you get 18 to 24 to 45. So in conclusion, we only get that the first ratio is not equal to 18, 24, and 45. So the answer is 36 to 48 to 90, 0.6 to 0.8 to 1.5, and 2 over 5 to 8 over 15 to 1 is the answer. Means only these three equals to 18 to 24 to 45. At the construction site, a worker prepares a concrete mixture which acts as the basic solid foundation of a building. The concrete mixture is obtained by adding 10 parts of cement to 20 parts of sand and 30 parts of gravel. Identify and determine two possible equivalent ratios for this mixture. So the ratio given in this question is 10 to 20 to 30. And we have to find two possible equivalent ratio. So as you can see, they have 0 behind, means that they can all divide by 10. So 10 divided by 10 equals to 1, 20 equals to 2, 30 divided by 10 equals to 3. So the first possible equivalent ratio is 1 to 2 to 3. Next, we have to find the second possible equivalent ratio for 10 to 20 to 30. So if you see any number behind is 5 or 0, means it can be divided by 5. Means 10 divided by 5 equals to 2, 20 divided by 5 equals to 4, and 30 equals to 6. So the second possible equivalent ratio is 2 to 4 to 6, and this 2 is the answer. In a workshop, a mechanic uses a jack with a force of 120 pounds to lift a car with a mass of 1,350 kg. State the ratio of the mass of the car to the force required to lift the car. Express the ratio in its simplest form. So it wants us to find the mass to the force. First, we have to determine what is the mass in this question. The mass is 1,350 kg and the force is 120 pounds. In order to get a ratio, we have to make these two into a same unit. So pounds and kg is a different unit. We have to convert pounds to kg, and it's given that 1 pound equals to 0.45 kg. The first step is we take 120 pounds multiply by 0.45 kg to convert it become kilogram. So 120 pounds multiplied by 0.45 equals. So now we know that the force is actually 54 kg. Then we form the ratio, which is mass to force equals to 1350 to 54. So the next step is we are going to make it to its simplest form. 1350 to 54. So the fastest way is to take 1350 divided by 54. Equals to 25, which means our answer will be 25 to 1.